MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up. If you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so I have taken a mini pause on the headband wigs and I am here to bring you another synthetic lace front wig review today. So Main Concept was kind enough to send me over 2 units to review for you all today. So a huge shout out goes to Main Concept for sending me these units. I truly thank you and appreciate it. The first one I'm going to review is from their Nature Match collection. I have it in the style ALIYAH and in the color SR4/CustardPie. This is what that stock card looks like. Now with this unit, it claims to have HD invisible lace, 4-inch deep lace part, skin tone adapting lace, baby hair, flexibility to style, body, and volume. So we're going to review that one first, and then we're going to tap into another unit in the style of Harmony, which is this one, and I have it in the color 1B. Now this one claims to have, again, HD invisible lace, skin tone adapting lace, baby hair, 4-inch deep lace part, transparent hairline look, and secure combs and straps. Now, throughout this video, I always hope and appreciate if you're able to watch it from beginning to end. However, if you're unable to do that or if you're uninterested, I do provide timestamps down in the description box below if there's a specific area of this video you prefer to see. So let's go ahead and dive into the first unit, which will be ALIYAH, and then we'll tap into this one. So this is what we got after styling Miss ALIYAH. Now I wasn't so sure when I first put her on my head. And I'm not completely 100% convinced yet. Okay, so let's just dive in. And I'm going to be switching back and forth between pros and cons. Let's just go ahead. So curl pattern pro. Definitely love the curls on this unit. I love the fullness of this unit. Super cute. Style, it kind of, like, I feel like if it was just a little bit longer, I might like it a little bit more. But because all this density is just like pushed up right here, I don't know. And maybe it's the color. So the color is this SR4/CustardPie, which I've never had. I don't even think I've heard of that color before. So that's what made me select it. I was like, I've never had that color. Let's try. I'm a risk taker. Let's go. But I do like the color. I just think I would like it on a different wig. I don't know if I like this color on this wig. I think I would prefer this curly style in a natural color. Now, I've only seen one review on this wig, and that was by my girl Camelia's Lane. She did a natural color, and it actually looked really nice. So check out her video if you want to see a natural color. I'll go ahead and link her video down in the description box below. But for this particular style, I'm not really sold on this color. It's a really pretty color, though. I just need it on something else. So with the HD lace, once I tinted it, I do think it's invisible and it does blend with my skin. I don't think there's any issues with that. Of course, I didn't glue this down. Y'all know I ain't about that glue life no more. Like, ugh, I can't even remember the last time I glued down a unit. Like, with all these headband wigs going on right now. Whew. Anyway, the 4-inch deep parting space is nice. I did put just a little bit of heat right here just to make sure that this was, you know, flat and not all poofy and big looking and crazy. Now, when it says skin tone adapting lace, I'm not so sure because it's not like that initially. And I don't know if that means you have an opportunity to make it skin tone by tinting it. I don't know, but just know it's very, very light. And if you are of darker complexion like me, you're gonna have to tint it. Now, it does come with baby hairs, but I did not decide to use those. I didn't feel like it was necessary with this wig. I mean, all the hair was just kind of covering everything. I just, you know, this is the only place that's exposed. So I didn't think baby hairs were necessary. Just my opinion. Now, I gotta talk about the cap size, y'all, because y'all know I have an average head, small to medium, measuring at 21.5 inches. So this is fitting quite snug and comfortable. It's not a whole lot of wiggle room. I mean, you get the breathable cap so you can get to your scalp if you need to scratch it, which is great. But it's not, I wouldn't say it's a whole lot of room in here. I wouldn't be comfortable saying it's all head friendly. Sorry. So all in all, I do think this wig is cute and has a lot of potential if it was in a natural color for me, for my personal preference. I would enjoy this more in a natural color. But I did choose this custard pie color just because I'm a risk taker and I just really wanted to see what this color was and how it would look with this unit. So I took a risk and here we are. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick 360 of this unit and then we're gonna dive into Harmony. Harmony. Now, I didn't show you a whole lot of that styling process because I pretty much did the exact same thing. I had to go in and tint the lace. I went and added some of my contour stick to the perimeter around the edge of the lace. I flattened her a little bit with my hot comb. Same thing. The only thing different with this one, because of the texture of the hair, I did go in with some foam mousse because it was a little frizzy. So in order to tame that, the easiest way to tame that is just add a little foam mousse, whatever kind you use. I like to use my Nairobi. It's my fave, but whatever foam mousse you have will usually take care of any frizz or flyaways you may have. So I feel like I have similar thoughts on this one as the last one. As far as the style, I do like this style. Y'all know I'm a fan of waves. So I'm a huge fan of wavy units. So I do like that. This one also came with a few little layers that I appreciate. And they're kind of all throughout. They're like a couple here in the front, and then there's like some, you know, throughout the wig here on the sides and in the back. So I do like that. I do feel like this is also a very easy plop on and go, beginner friendly kind of wig. Not a whole lot to do with it. The only thing is, of course, the HD lace that it claims to have. And I guess it is HD lace because it gives you the option to make it the color it needs to be to blend with your skin. And once you do that, I think it does blend fairly well with my skin. This one also came with baby hairs. I told y'all before, I am so mood driven, and today I was not in the mood for baby hairs, so we didn't use baby hairs today. I quickly hot combed those out the way, and some of them I even cut off when I cut the lace. Just wasn't in the mood for baby hairs today. Overall though, I really do like the wig. This is something I would grab as a nice quick throw on and go, because it is that. And you know I'm here for that. Now, I failed to mention in the ALIYAH unit, they both do shed quite a bit on the medium side. Yeah, it was quite a bit of hair fallout. And I know the other one was a more of a blonde color, so that could be the reason that was shedding. So let's talk about the price. Both of the units are running at about $30 each. Very affordable units. And that's pretty much on any of the sites. Now, the cost may vary depending on which site you choose and or the color you select. So, of course, I always leave a link down in the description box, or in this case, links down in the description box on various purchase options. So, of course, I would love to know what you all think about these units. Which one do you like better? Would you consider getting either one of them or no? Be completely honest. Let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you made it this far, thank you for watching this far. Go ahead and drop me a blue heart down in the comments below so I know that you made it all the way to the end. If you're not already, make sure you also follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I always post anytime I upload a YouTube video on Instagram. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. As always, please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you lovely people in the next video.